God, I love this. Watermelon, my favorite. That's my favorite thing about this time of year is that watermelon is in season. I love watermelon. It's my #1 detox food because I love it so much. And I just want to show you today a really simple way to have the most benefit in detoxing your body using watermelon. You know, as I always say, food is medicine, but food is also detox. All fruits are extremely high in detox, but watermelon is extremely good for the kidneys. So let me show you this great, easy, and simple, delicious recipe. Literally, I live on this drink in the summer. When I was a fruitarian for 2 years, from, I don't know, June or May until they went out of season. In California, we can get watermelons for a long time. So when you get a watermelon at the store and it's not so sweet and you're disappointed, don't get rid of it. Just juice it up. And I say juice it, but it's not really juicing it because I'm not going to strain anything. So that's how I do it. I just put it in lines like this. And then I slowly will just start adding these in. And I probably got to do this in 2 batches, but it's so delicious. You guys won't believe it. It's literally just pure watermelon, but it tastes like it's been juiced. So you see how it'll let me add more. What I'm putting in this recipe today is frozen strawberries. They come so easy, organic at the grocery store. And my favorite way to do it is to add some rose water. And then I'm also going to add some mint from the garden. This is spearmint actually. And often I squeeze a little lemon because it's extra detox. And you know I am the detox queen. So right now I'm gonna add some of these strawberries because I probably have to do this in 2 batches. Now we got all kinds of good detox. Let's try that. First thing I want to do is fill up and my glass, and then I just add the rest. I love the astringent quality of a lemon. It's so healthy. When something's astringent, it really pulls the toxins out of your body. Oh, I think I didn't add the rose water. I need to do that. That's easy because it's just water. You can just stir it in. Okay, there we go. Let's put it on. Okay, and I want to add my rose water to my drink. God, I love this. And that's why I put the strawberries in it this time of year, because watermelons can sometimes not be sweet enough this time of year, but they're still so healthy and so good for detox. So just add some. You can add any fruit you want. I like strawberries a lot. They're big and they make it nice and cold, and if you add a bunch to it, you'll get it a little thicker. But you know, watermelon has so many benefits. It makes you urinate all day long, so it's really a diuretic, but it's so different than coffee. So that's a bad kind of diuretic, but that can damage your kidneys, that kind of diuretic. But this kind of diuretic, watermelon is really known for a kidney detox. And Dr. Morse, one of my favorite mentors, he loves watermelon cleanses and watermelon juice fast. And so you can drink all the watermelon you want, but just have a bathroom close by. So here's to you, you guys. This is the best ever. So start buying your watermelons and do it just like this. You can add more strawberries, you can do it with blueberries, add more lemon juice and make it really astringent. It's endless, but try it because this is my all-time favorite right here. Cheers to our detox. Man, that rose, that makes it exotic and delicious and detoxifying. Wow, that's so good.